Hi everyone, I'm Stephanie Dang and I'm going to be using the Mandala cut file from this month along with the April 2024 main kit. First thing first is I cut 9 mandalas in a size 3.5 inches and set them aside. I trimmed this white background, leaving 1/4 inch on each of the edges, the side edges. And then I'm prepping the whole area with clear gesso and I'm going to set it aside to dry. I'm placing these mandala cut files on my page so that I can know where I'm going to be adding some colors. I'm using the color kit of this month to add some watercolor splashes on each of those mandalas. I'm inking up a piece of plastic, diluting it with water, and using a brush to add the color to my page. I'm gonna use a scallop punch to punch out my pictures, and I just feel like it just matches the page so well. So I'm using these embellishments from the Embellishment Kit and just cutting them apart so that I can play around and move them where I want them. I'm just playing around with my page and adding foam adhesive to bring out some more dimension around my page. few last touches and I am done with my page. I hope my layout gave you some inspiration to use a Mandala cut file, and if you haven't subscribed to us, please remember to subscribe and also like my video. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful, blessed day.